Ever checked your bank account after a vacation and wondered where all your money went? Studies show travelers can save up to 40% just by planning smarter. That's more cash for another trip, a hotel upgrade, or just peace of mind. Today, we're diving into how to travel smart, not cheap, so you get more adventure for your money. I'm Emma from Encompass Travel, and I'll show you step-by-step hacks to turn your travel dreams into reality without the financial nightmare. Ready to transform your travel game? Let's get started. Traveling can be an incredibly enriching experience, but it's easy to fall into common traps that can quickly drain your wallet. Let's expose the biggest travel budget killers, those sneaky expenses that can turn your dream vacation into a financial nightmare. Overspending tops the list. It's so easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new place and lose track of your spending. No budget, just swiping the card, thinking, I'm on vacation, I deserve this. And suddenly you're broke post-trip, staring at a credit card bill that's bigger than your plane ticket. Poor packing is next. Overpack and pay baggage fees, those dreaded charges that seem to increase every year, or underpack and buy overpriced essentials, those travel-sized toiletries and forgotten items that cost a fortune at the airport or in tourist areas. Or at tourist traps, those tempting souvenir shops filled with overpriced trinkets and authentic local crafts. Then there's lack of research. This is a silent wallet drainer, leading you to make uninformed decisions that cost you money. Arrive clueless, pay premium prices simply because you didn't know where to find the local gems, and waste time standing in long lines and missing out on the best experiences. One of the most avoidable is booking the wrong hotel or grabbing the first taxi. These can double your costs, especially when you could have taken public transport or a ride-sharing service. We all know impulse buys, like last-minute tours, booked out of desperation because you didn't plan ahead, or unnecessary upgrades can wreck your budget, leaving you with nothing to show for your trip but a mountain of debt. These aren't minor mistakes. They add up fast, turning a manageable vacation budget into a financial burden, and ruin your experience, leaving you stressed and disappointed instead of relaxed and refreshed. The key: be proactive, not reactive. Plan ahead, do your research, and make informed decisions. Avoid these traps, and you'll travel smarter, making your money go further and enjoying a richer, more fulfilling experience. And happier, creating memories that last a lifetime without breaking the bank. Let's show you how. It's time to get serious about your travel dreams. Let's build a financial fortress, a solid foundation that will support all your adventures to come. We're going to construct this fortress around your travel funds, ensuring they're protected and growing steadily. Think of it as your personal treasure chest, overflowing with possibilities. The cornerstone of this fortress: smart budgeting. We're not just throwing money at travel, we're strategically allocating resources to maximize every experience. Start with a total trip budget, the grand vision for your adventure. This is the maximum you're willing to invest in this particular journey. Consider this your North Star. It's the guiding light that keeps you on track and prevents overspending. Now break it down. Dissect that total budget into manageable categories. Flights, the first big piece of the puzzle. Accommodation, your home away from home. Food, fuel for your adventures. Activities, the experiences that make your trip unforgettable. Souvenirs, little reminders of your journey. And, crucially, a little extra for those unexpected surprises that travel inevitably throws your way. Embrace technology. Use budgeting apps. There are tons of great ones out there. Or, if you're more old school, a simple spreadsheet works wonders. The key is to track every single expense, no matter how small. Awareness is the first step to control. Automate savings. Make it effortless. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account. Direct those funds to a dedicated travel fund. Do this each and every payday without fail. Even small regular deposits make a huge difference over time. Trust me, those small amounts add up fast. You'll be surprised how quickly your travel fund grows. Flexibility is your secret weapon in the quest for affordable travel. Travel midweek when demand is lower, or consider traveling during shoulder seasons. those sweet spots between peak and off-peak times. You'll save big on flights and hotels, and often find fewer crowds too. Use flight comparison sites to your advantage, and set price alerts. Be notified when prices drop. Sometimes, simply shifting your trip by just a few days can save you hundreds of dollars. For food, be strategic. Mix eating out at restaurants with preparing your own meals whenever possible. Book places with kitchenettes or full kitchens. Shop at local markets for fresh, affordable ingredients. Eat your main meal at lunch rather than dinner. You'll often find better deals and lunch specials. And always, always carry a reusable water bottle with you. This simple habit will help you avoid buying expensive bottled drinks constantly. These habits stretch your budget further than you thought possible, and ultimately they make travel more enjoyable and less stressful. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction or deprivation. It's about maximizing fun and creating unforgettable memories. It's about making the most of your resources within your means. Plan smart, be resourceful, spend smart, and be mindful of your choices. And watch your travel dreams, those long-held aspirations, become a tangible reality, one adventure at a time. Let's keep this journey going. Next up, we're diving into packing like a pro, maximizing space and minimizing stress. Packing smart saves money and stress. Make a list tailored to your destination and activities. No more just-in-case overpacking. Roll clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Use packing cubes for organization. Switch to solid toiletries or travel-sized containers to avoid leaks and liquid limits. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane to free up luggage space. Always leave room for souvenirs and pack a foldable tote for day trips or overflow. Traveling carry-on only? You'll dodge baggage fees and lost luggage. Every inch and pound counts. Pack with purpose. Let's move on to research. Research is your secret weapon for a better, cheaper trip. Start broad. Use travel blogs, official sites, and guidebooks for must-sees and practical info. Dive into forums like TripAdvisor and Reddit for real traveler tips and hidden gems. Use Google Maps Street View to scout neighborhoods and check proximity to transport and attractions. Instagram and Pinterest reveal unique spots and local experiences. Check local event calendars for festivals or free happenings during your stay. Research transportation, SIM cards, and common scams to avoid costly mistakes. A little prep means more confidence and less stress on the road. Now let's unlock the ultimate travel hack. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you explore the world? Here's the game changer, a simple yet incredibly effective hack that will transform your travel experiences forever. It all starts with dynamic itinerary planning, right at your fingertips. The secret weapon? Offline maps. And don't forget digital notes. As you research your destinations, meticulously pin every site that catches your eye, every restaurant that tantalizes your taste buds, and every activity that sparks your adventurous spirit. Do all of this on an offline map app. Popular choices include Google Maps or the user-friendly Maps.me. Add notes. Jot down all the essential details. Include opening hours so you don't arrive to a closed door, fees to help you budget effectively, and most importantly, why it's worth visiting. Your personal stamp of approval. Each day of your adventure, check your map, your personalized travel guide, see what's nearby, uncover hidden gems, and decide on the fly. Embrace the freedom of spontaneous exploration. Say goodbye to rigid schedules and hello to unplanned adventures. Offline access means you're never truly lost, even in the most remote corners of the world. Or stuck without info, you'll always have the details you need. All of this, even without Wi-Fi. This approach beautifully blends planning with freedom, giving you the best of both worlds, letting you adapt to weather changes, your current mood, or those unexpected new discoveries that make travel so rewarding. You'll save time, avoid unnecessary stress, and make the absolute most of every single moment. It's not just a hack, it's a whole new travel philosophy, a way of seeing and experiencing the world. Try it and you'll never travel the same way again. Let's recap the essentials for smarter, cheaper, and more epic travel. Avoid common pitfalls, overspending, bad packing, and skipping research. Budget by category, automate savings, and stay flexible for the best deals. Pack light, roll clothes, use cubes, and wear bulky items on the plane. Research deeply. Blogs, forums, maps, and local events are your best friends. Use dynamic offline itineraries for ultimate flexibility and confidence. These strategies save money and unlock better experiences. Invest in your adventures, not just your expenses. You're now ready to travel like a pro. You're now armed with powerful travel hacks, but let's keep learning together. Share your best travel tip or story in the comments. Your advice could change someone's trip. If you found value here, hit like and help others discover these tips. Subscribe for more guides, hacks, and destination deep dives. Join our travel community and let's explore smarter together. Your next adventure starts now. You've got the tools to save big and travel better. Apply just one tip from this video and watch your next trip level up. Share this with a friend, subscribe for more, and start planning that epic, budget-friendly adventure. See you in the next video. Go conquer your vacation budget.